There's none over there, sweetheart. Come back over here. What's in there? Back, back. Look down!
This help.
Look up. Come here, right there.
Look higher, bud.
You see anything? What?
Hey.
An egg? Oops! Here you go!
I don't know.
Oh
You just spoiled that on purpose.
no! No. Harlan, did you like your egg hunt?
Yeah.
Can you say thank you to the Easter Bunny? Oh, what'd you find?
Oh, they might be in Arizona.